Hey, hello all. Welcome to another Clojure Diary. So today I just want to talk about a thing called strategy pattern. I think I'm spelling it right. So what this is, like let's say like first you just have like addition of 4 and 3, right? And you can even multiply it and all those stuff, right? Come on. Let's say like for some condition you need to add or multiply. Okay, so like if some flag is true you need to add and some flag is false you need to multiply and all those stuff. So let's try that out. Okay, so like I'll just put something like this: if true, add, otherwise multiply, right? So depending on whatever condition we are just passing over here, it'll either choose add or multiply. Okay, like and then we are just passing 4 and 3, so this will add 4 and 3, and if I give false, it'll multiply 4 and 3. Okay, look, in Clojure it looks so simple, but in truth, in object oriented programming, you'll have like big blogs written about it. So they say, like, of course, like functional programming doesn't have any patterns or something like that, and I'm not sure about that. But of course, there are best practices in every programming language. But they just say, like, in functional programming, all this design patterns doesn't matter, because the code doesn't get muddled up so easily. So this is what strategy pattern. Depending on some variable, you're just choosing something. So that's the thing. So let me just try to do something, another thing or something, like whether we can just pass our own functions or something, right? So let me put something like add, and okay, define a function, um, add, and over here a and b, and of course I'll just put like, okay, plus ab, right? So this becomes add, right? And now another thing called multiply, and once again a and b, these are the arguments, and yeah, I'm just multiplying it and sending out the result. So that's the thing. And now let's put this strategy pattern, right? So let me just copy this, put it over here, and then let me put it like add, multiply, just checking whether this will also work, so that like we can pass tomorrow, we can pass some complicated function. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So okay, so now it's false, so it should multiply. mm, I'm not sure what's happening. Okay, so yeah, somehow this is not getting applied, right? Yeah, it is working, it is working, come on. I don't know why it said multiply. Maybe I just kept it over here and press this alt enter or option enter, right? So okay, so now it's multiplying. Now if I make this as true, it should add and give it to me. So tomorrow it can be something complex, right? So uh, this 4 and 3 can be some complex data structure or something like that, right? So strategy pattern is nothing but like, and this could be some variable in Clojure. So some variable determined previously in the program, and that'll choose what things to run. Okay, so yeah, as simple as this, and yeah, I'll just put this in my blog, and this video will also be uploaded. Yeah, so yeah, this is what strategy pattern is, and in Clojure you can't even say this as a pattern. It's so simple, right? So maybe functional programming language has no patterns. It has only one pattern: function followed by arguments, right? So, oh, that's it. Okay. Anyway, have a nice day. If you're coding in Clojure, happy Clojure.